What if a tiny seed, smaller than a grain of rice, could actually change the way you sleep? No, not a sleeping pill, not a fancy gadget either, just something completely natural. And chances are, it's already sitting in your kitchen cupboard. I'm talking about chia seeds. Yes, those little black and white seeds you might have tossed into a smoothie once or twice without giving them a second thought. Well, it turns out they could be doing a lot more than you realize. People are now swearing by chia seeds for improving their sleep, easing digestion, and boosting overall wellness, simply by adding them to their evening routine. So the question is, can something so small actually make your nights healthier? Or is this just another health fad? Stick with me, because in the next few minutes, you'll find out what chia seeds actually do inside your body, why people are taking them before bed, and how they might just help you sleep better, feel lighter, and wake up refreshed. Let's get into it. First off, what are chia seeds? They come from a plant called Salvia hispanica. Originally grown in Central and South America, they've been around for centuries, used by the Aztecs and Mayans as a source of energy and stamina. In fact, the word chia literally means strength in the Mayan language. These days, chia seeds are considered a superfood, and it's easy to see why. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for your heart and brain and help reduce inflammation. They're also rich in fiber. Just 2 tablespoons gives you almost half of your daily fiber needs. There's protein for muscle repair, magnesium for sleep and muscle health, and extra nutrients like calcium, iron, and antioxidants. Pretty powerful for something so small. So what happens when you eat chia seeds before bed? There are 3 main things they help with. First, they support your natural sleep hormones. Chia seeds contain tryptophan. That's an amino acid that helps your body produce serotonin and melatonin. These are the same chemicals your brain uses to relax and regulate your sleep cycle. Think of them as your internal sleep switch. Second, chia helps stabilize your blood sugar through the night. Ever wake up at 3 a.m. for no reason? Sometimes that's due to a sudden blood sugar drop, but chia seeds digest slowly, helping to keep those levels steady while you sleep. And third, they help you feel full. Thanks to their fiber and ability to form a gel in your stomach, chia seeds can keep you satisfied longer. That means you're less likely to get those late-night snack cravings or wake up hungry before the alarm. But is any of this actually backed by science? Well, yes it is. Studies show that the soluble fiber in chia supports gut health and more regular digestion. The seeds can absorb up to 12 times their weight in water, which helps keep your body hydrated overnight. They also give you a gentle, steady release of energy, so you're not spiking and crashing like you would with sugar. And for people low in magnesium, which is more common than you think, chia seeds can genuinely help improve sleep quality. Of course, they're not a magic fix. They work best when they're part of a balanced diet and good sleep habits. Now, before you go loading up your jar with chia, there are a few things you need to know. First, don't eat them dry. Chia seeds expand really fast when mixed with liquid. If you swallow them dry, they can swell in your throat and become a choking hazard. So always soak them first. Second, start small. If you're not used to high-fiber foods, too much chia too quickly can lead to bloating or discomfort. Begin with just half a tablespoon and work your way up. And third, if you're on blood pressure medication or blood thinners, check with your GP first. Chia is high in omega-3s, which can interact with certain medications. Now, how do you actually take chia seeds at night? 1. Chia water. Just stir a tablespoon of chia seeds into a glass of water, let it sit for about 15 minutes, and drink it about an hour before bed. You can add lemon, honey, or cinnamon if you want to liven it up. Second, chia pudding. Mix a few tablespoons of chia seeds with milk or plant-based milk. Add a splash of vanilla or cocoa, stir, and let it sit in the fridge for a couple of hours or overnight. It's a great light dessert or late-night snack. Or you can add them to overnight oats. Oats, chia, milk, toppings. Leave it in the fridge, and it's ready in the morning. Now, a lot of people ask, how soon will I notice a difference? Honestly, it depends. Some people feel more relaxed after just 1 or 2 nights, especially if they were low in magnesium or slightly dehydrated. For digestion, you might notice better regularity within 2 or 3 days. And in terms of reduced bloating or more balanced energy, that often shows up after a week or 2 of consistent use. So, should you give it a try? Well, if you're someone who struggles to fall asleep, wakes up during the night, feels bloated in the evenings, or gets the late-night munchies, then yes, adding chia seeds to your night might be just the thing you need. They're natural, they're inexpensive, they're easy to use, and when used properly, surprisingly powerful. So here's a little challenge for you. Try chia seeds for the next 5 nights. Start simple, chia water or chia pudding, same time each evening. Then come back and comment, "Tried it, here's what happened." Did you sleep better? Did your digestion improve? Or was it just hype? Let's start a conversation and build a real community around natural wellness. And hey, if this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more no-nonsense health tips, and share it with someone who needs better sleep. Because sometimes, all it takes is a seed.